Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make bear paw cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, and you want that unsalted and softened. 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a fourth a teaspoon of salt. Then I am using some purple food coloring. Of course, if you don't want your cookies to be purple, you don't have to use that. And then we need a bag of chocolate wafers. I did find the Ghirardelli dark chocolate wafers that are nut-free. And then some regular dark chocolate baking chips. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 and line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper and set them to the side. In a large bowl, we're going to beat the softened butter and our sugar with an electric mixer until it's nice and smooth, about 2 minutes. Now let's add in the egg and vanilla extract and just mix that to combine. Now we're going to add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt and mix that to combine. Now I'm adding in some purple food coloring because our Smoky Bears football team, our local high school football team, is going to the state championship, so I'm making these in honor of them. That looks very well incorporated to me. I'm loving that purple color, but of course, like I said, you could leave yours white. So now we are going to roll these into 24 balls. I'm just going to use a cookie scoop. Like I said, you should get 24 of them. Both batches of my cookies are ready to go into the oven for 9 to 12 minutes at 350. All of my cookies have come out of the oven, and I just immediately put one of the big Ghirardelli squares on there, and then 4 of the chocolate chips. At first I put them pointy side down, but I like them better pointy side up because they actually look like claws that way. I think they turned out so cute, so we're going to let them cool off about 30 minutes and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, we've got one here for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye. Go Bears!